Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make a stock chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. So how to make a stock chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. First, here we open our PowerPoint application on the computer. Create a new work page. Well, here it is already on the PowerPoint work page. For example, here we will create a stock chart for 5-month stock prices. First, we go to the Insert menu. To the right, tap icon, Chart, then many chart options will appear. Here we select Stock. Well, here there are many stock chart options. Well, tap OK. Now here it is visible. A stock chart appears which is still empty. Now for this table. As input data on the radar chart. First here I will change the title to 5/9/2002. Then enter the data one by one. First, in this data section we enter the data. On January 1st, 2025, the stock price opened at 150, reached a high of 155, a low of 148, and closed at 152. On January 2nd, 2025, the stock price opened at 153, reached a high of 158, a low of 151, and closed at 157. Then, on January 3rd, 2025, the opening price was 156, a high of 160, a low of 154, and closed at 159. On January 4th, 2025, the stock price opened at 158, reached a high of 162, a low of 157, and closed at 160. Finally, on January 5th, 2025, the stock opened at 161, reached a high of 165, a low of 159, and closed at 162. We can change the color of the chart, high and low. To the right here on this screen, tap. And change the color here. I choose red. And you can thicken the chart. We can change the color of the chart, open and close. To the right here on this screen, tap. And change the color here. I choose blue. We can also change the model of the stock chart. Go to the Chart Design menu. Well, here are many choices of stock chart designs according to your wishes. So that's it. Tutorial how to make a stock chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.